Hi there, this is Krista Ziobrowski with Krista's Trendy Not Spendy Bling, and in this Paparazzi Accessories video, I'm going to be answering the question of how much does it cost to get started as a paparazzi consultant. So let's get into it. There are actually 3 startup package options. The first one for $99 is called the Preview Pack. And in this one, you are going to receive 35 pieces of jewelry, and it values at a retail cost of $175. So when you subtract the cost of that starter kit, once you sell all that jewelry, you've made a profit of $76. This is a great option for beginning your paparazzi journey if you're starting out on a small budget. The second option is a little bit more. It cost $2.99, and this one is called the Small Home Party Kit. And in this one, you are going to receive 120 pieces of jewelry, and it has a retail value of $600. So when you subtract the kit cost of $2.99 and you sell all that jewelry, you're in profit $301. Excellent option. I encourage everyone who gets started in paparazzi to begin your journey in your paparazzi career with as much jewelry to sell as you possibly can. So this is an excellent option. And then, of course, there's my favorite. For $499, you can purchase the Large Home Party Kit. And this one includes 200 pieces of jewelry, and the retail value of it is $1,000. So once you sell all of that inventory, you are in a profit of $501. This is the best value for the money. So if you are able, I definitely encourage you to come into paparazzi at this level. Just because you're starting with a high level of inventory. And this package also includes a free ticket to the annual Paparazzi Convention, which takes place in August every year. And that ticket is valued at $175. So that's another reason why this is also a great option. Oh, and don't let me forget, every startup kit also comes with business building, marketing, and jewelry repair materials. So they don't just send you jewelry, they do send you a lot of other marketing aids and business building materials as well. So I hope that this answers your question. And I hope that you got some value from this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions about any of the paparazzi jewelry or the opportunity, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is below this video. And again, I am Krista Ziobrowski. Feel free to like my page at facebook.com/Krista Zio. And you can check out the jewelry and learn more about the paparazzi opportunity on my website at www.kristastrendynotspendybling.com. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in more videos. Bye-bye now.